Are you looking for the best drones for 2024? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for 2024 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the most capable ultralight drone on the market. It weighs just 249 grams with its standard battery, good for around 34 minutes of flight time, so you don't have to register it with the FAR. Creators who don't mind forms and fees should opt for the extended life battery, however, which pushes flights beyond 45 minutes. Full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, automated flight modes, and a quad-Bayer camera with 4K 60 HDR video round out the feature set. We especially like the APAS function, which helps the drone navigate through complex spaces all by itself, even at low altitudes. If you've looked at the Mini 3 and wanted a bit more, the Mini 4 Pro is a sensible step-up option. Drone enthusiasts, cinematographers looking to add a B camera for aerials, and creators who don't mind spending a bit more for smart obstacle avoidance should find the Mini 4 Pro to be a worthwhile upgrade. It's also a good match for TikTok influencers because it supports vertical 9:16 video. Number 2, DJI Mini 2C. The DJI Mini 2C is the best drone you can get for less than $350. It sports a stabilized 2.7K video camera that snaps 12MP photos, and also includes GPS and Find My Drone functions. Its 249 grams takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAR registration. You just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also like the Mini 2C's nearly half-hour flight times, stable performance at its 400-foot altitude limit, and reliable connection to the required smartphone app. We just wish DJI had managed to build in obstacle detection sensors. The Mini 2C is the drone to get if you're just starting out and want to record ultra-smooth 2.7K 30 footage from the air. RAW format imaging is also available for photogs who like to post-process. Number 3, DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S has a camera with an oversized Type 1, also called 1-inch. Sensor for much better 20MP stills than you can get from the DJI Mini series drones. It supports 5.4K 30 and 4K 60 video with HDR, flat, or standard profiles, plus it can snap photos in RAW or JPG format. DJI's strong safety features are here too, including GPS location, obstacle sensors, ADS-B to warn you of nearby manned aircraft, and a 30-minute battery. The Air 2S is a compelling drone for stills-first creators. The Type 1 sensor may lag behind quad-Bayer chips in pixel count, but captures a wider dynamic range, so photogs have more leeway for edits to exposure. Video pros should appreciate the 5.4K resolution and choice of 3 profiles too, but you may want to step up to a Mavic 3 for more serious cinema work. Keep in mind that you must register this drone with the FAR. Number 4, Ortal Robotics Evo Lite Plus. The Ortal Evo Lite Plus uses a Type 1 sensor camera for picture quality that's competitive with the DJI Air 2S, with the additional benefit of a variable aperture to cut incoming light without the need for ND filters. The folding drone can fly for around 40 minutes on a full battery and supports 3-way obstacle sensors to prevent mid-air accidents. The Ortal Evo Lite Plus is a capable camera drone for creators who don't want to support DJI. Its 6K camera is capable and, although we wish we could fine-tune the video profile, a flat look is available if you want to edit for color. Its price is a knock against it, though, considering the Air 2S costs around $1,000, but you might find the Lite Plus to be worth it for extended flight times and to sidestep DJI's sometimes restrictive fly-safe geofence. Number 5. Ortal Robotics Evo Nano Plus. The Ortal Robotics Evo Nano Plus comes in at 249 grams, so you don't need to register it with the FAR. though it does include three-way obstacle detection for safer flight. A stabilized camera records 4K 30 video and snaps sharp photos at up to 50 MP. Battery life is very good too, at about 28 minutes. The Evo Nano Plus is a good drone for pilots who want a quadcopter they can take up in the air without baked-in geofencing restrictions, like the DJI FlySafe system that some see as restrictive. The 249 grams takeoff weight allows you to use it a bit more freely than heavier drones, and the picture quality is very good, with aggressive sharpening being the real knock. The Nano Plus is a good drone for beginner and advanced pilots alike.